Avast, ye scurvy scum. Thursday, March 26, 2026, Bombay Beach Biennale. Here on the Salton Sea. Got a lot of artsy-fartsy shit. This is fucking cool. This is by some dude named Devin. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? We got the artist himself, Devin. How's it going?
This is Davy Jones' locker. This is my pirate ship here. And,
that's so cool.
I've also brought a fire pit here as well.
Oh, one of those floating fire pits. That's awesome. And when it cools down later, that'll be lit. It's looking pretty lit too, even though it's not lit. Oh, I like that. The bell, yeah. No, that's awesome.
I think that's such a good resonance. You hear that still?
Yeah.
Incredible.
You can still hear the ooh, yeah.
That's what I've been playing around with.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've realized the easiest and cheapest and simplest is just using old electrical cable.
Oh, wow.
Because I've tried to deal with the cable and the grommets to make it look all pretty.
Yeah.
But it's like, I always buy the wrong grommet for the wire, and it's like, and then they don't return the wire grommets, and I have a back.
Yeah.
So I'm just like,
no, that works out perfect. Yeah.
Have to bug anyone about it. I don't have to go buy a crimp thing or anything.
No, no.
Just making bells.
Just put it together. I like it. Ahoy. This install is known as the Hull Truth. That's H-U-L-L, Truth. And it's being put together by an artist named Billy. It's actually made out of plywood and all that, but did a really good job of making it look like a heavily weathered, dry docked ship. And it's gonna be an outdoor club. Let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, if you look at this, it's a special paint job and all that, make it look like rest. They did an awesome job. I mean, it looks pretty realistic looking. Here's some more sections. They're putting it together. It's just so hot out today. It's like 95 degrees Fahrenheit out. And here's the inside. It's going to make a good windscreen too for when they have a DJ dance parties up here. And there's the artist right there. Bill, hey, how's it going? Awesome job on this.
Thank you, thank you.
And of course, what better place than on the shore of the Salton Sea. Few more hull panels waiting to be installed. Party will be Friday and Saturday night from what, sunset to midnight?
Sunset to midnight, and we say salvage the night.
Nice. I like that play on words. And that's down here on the beach. This is kind of to the west of the Tentacle and west of the Swing. And this one I believe is called Greed Kills. This was just getting started yesterday and it's pretty much done now. This is just a short distance down the beach from the Hull Truth, the ship I just showed you. But check this out. Pretty cool. Let's take a closer look at it. Here you go. Pretty cool. Got those colorful panels there that reflect the sunlight. Almost look like they're lit, but they're actually just reflecting. Look at that. Pretty cool. Let's zoom out. And there you have it. And this brand new piece of art just installed a few hours ago. The Salton Sea Mine by Keith. He's the same artist that did the porch view, the confessional, the ski-in 2, the lemonade stand, which has since been renamed to the waterfront, and much, much more. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? Here you go. It's not mine, it's not yours, it's mine. Well, it's not really mine, but it's a mine. Got an image which looks kind of phallic, but that's actually the Salton Sea, and that really is the shape of the Salton Sea. Bombay. Boom. Pretty cool. The Salton Sea Mine. Come on down and check it out. Oh, wow. Look at this tub. Want to take a bath? This place is bigger than my whole apartment. What are you watching? Some of you might get the Pink Floyd reference. Check this out. Pretty fucking cool. Let's take a closer look at it.
This is Karmic Consequences, and it's basically a lesson in the consequence of one. So it's a bathtub full of marbles, And inevitably, people will take the marbles as a souvenir, as one does, thinking it's just a marble and it's only one and it's not a big deal. But there is secrets beneath the marbles that if you come in here, you start to see the consequences to your actions, like water rights, lithium mining.
Very relevant to hear
Very relative.
on the salt.
And it is that we all do things and not think about what is really going on until the unseen consequences surface.
Awesome.
And our mermaid here is a bit of her own statement about power and control and ownership, where the continents have been redivided into only 3 superpowers: the United States and Israel, China and Russia. The New World Order.
This is the Bombay Beach Binoculars by an artist named Denali. It's an augmented reality with AI and a bunch of other tech here. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. It's kind of like a brutalist steampunk version of the classic, coin-operated binoculars that you would see at a tourist destination. Look at that, it tilts up and down. Let's take a look through the lens. And look at that. Oh. Let's focus. Look at that, look at that. There's some of my photos in here too. As you move it around, changes what you see. Go around a little bit more. Look at that, pretty cool. You can even tilt down too, like before and after, but yeah, the Bombay Beach Binoculars. Zoom out. And it is by what used to be the lemonade stand, is now the waterfront bar.
Bombay Beach, the Biennale did not come to a ghost town. It came to a place that had its own culture and its own weirdness, and that attracted the people who made the Biennale happen, right? And make the art here. It's like the Schelling point for that, but that we're building on top of this culture that was brought out of real.
Yeah, hey, it's Kevin Litt. We got Dulcinea and Victoria. Yeah, you mind telling them real quick what this is about?
We're hanging on the scales of judgment, done by veteran Biennale artist Scott Fitzel, who did receive a BBB Year X Artist Grant, as did you,
Yeah,
Kevin
for the dock of Bombay, it's for the Lit landing, which is over that way.
And these are the scales of judgment.
Pretty
and
cool.
Gesina here will be presiding over our memorial procession and performing her poetry at the Scales of Judgment on Saturday.
Right on. Sweet. Thanks, Dulcinea.
Thank you, Kevin. Happy
Lit.
Biennale.
Hell yeah. Woo. And it's finally picking up. It seemed like it wasn't gonna, it was like so slow this morning, and finally, boom.
Right?
Now it's going. Hell yeah.
We got the beads going.
Not sure what this is, but another new art installation. Just looks like a cool little chill spot here on the beach. And of course the Lit landing. And there's some other newly installed art in the water here. Let's go take a look at it. So to the west side of the dock, these are pretty cool. They reflect the sunlight in the daytime, and of course they are lit with solar lights at night. Yeah, I really like it. More perspective. Pretty damn cool, and a good thing the weather is calm. Hell yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching Kevin Lit. I'll cover more of the new artwork tomorrow or possibly later tonight. I'm about to take my boat out. Remember to hit that like button and that subscribe button.